Hello, in this C programming video, we are going to cover the auto storage class. So when we create a variable, let's say int I equals 7, and let's say if I had another function as well, just say void extra function, and if I try and run that, this will work in terms of no errors will be given. It doesn't really do anything as of now, but no errors will be given. So yeah, there we go. So no errors were given. But if let's say I try to use I here, let's say if I say I equals 6, save that, run it, we'll get an error. I is undeclared, and because the reason is by default all variables within a particular block, and a block is defined by the opening curly brace and the closing curly brace, have the auto keyword automatically used. Hence why you won't see code very often in the wild that actually shows the auto keyword, for the simple reason it's automatically attached. And if I was to just let's say just get rid of this and run it, it still works. So what this is saying is this variable can only be used within the scope that it is declared. It is declared within these curly braces, therefore it can only be used within this. Otherwise you have to look into something like statics or global variables or structs, or something else to be able to use the variable outside. And on top of that, you can't use it before. So I can't say I equals 8, for example, even though it's within the scope. I isn't declared yet. Whereas if I was to put it here, it had been declared at this point, hence why it is working. So that's the auto storage class. It might seem a bit redundant, the fact that you don't need to do it because it's automatically done it. Why have I created a video? Created it because I want this C programming series to be the most comprehensive C series out there. And on top of that, there are other storage classes that I think that I will be definitely covering, but I think it'll be useful for you to know the auto storage class as well, just so you know the differences between them and the fact that it's automatically done. So that's the auto storage class for C. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.